Hello and welcome to Tension Free Body. My name's Sean. On this platform, you can either book one-to-one time with me, whether online or in person, and we'll go through your specific case together, try and get you back into balance and out of pain and enjoying life again. The pathway is designed to help you understand exactly what you need to do every day to stay agile and free as you age. In this pathway, I've put together all my favorite moves, techniques, sequences. I've mixed all this different wisdom from Qigong, Tai Chi, I Ching Ching, and a bunch of other movement systems. So you can connect to the moves and techniques that are going to help you enjoy life, move without pain, without tension, and restore balance. We need to keep the system functioning, and what we do every day really matters. It all rolls together. So if you're not unlocking tension and rebuilding center, it makes it much harder to enjoy life. The goal is to create a practical pathway for you to develop the ability to train and heal yourself and wisely awaken your nerve pathway. It's really fun. It helps you enjoy life, and I hope you're having an awesome day. See you soon.